step into the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are trailer brake controller integrated, trailering package includes trailer hitch 7-pin and 4-pin connectors, rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control, stability control, steel wheels and MP3 player. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.